Welcome to AlphaGrad, a Discord community for IT professionals. I'm going to give you some tips and tricks for making the most out of your study time in AlphaGrad. You're going to want to start with our Zero to IT Hero program, a holistic approach to studying that joins the need for community with relevant study materials. We take people from all levels of experience and offer them the learning environment they need to reach their certification goals. Here are 3 tips that we've seen successful groups utilize. We found that the most effective way to use AlphaGrad is through pre-scheduled study groups. Communication allows for your group to be aware of your strengths and weaknesses. We believe that one of the best ways to refine your own knowledge is through active teaching. AlphaGrad is modular. You pick up how many people you want to study with, what materials to use, what topics, and when. Communicating details about how you best learn and what areas you're weak in opens the door to learning. In the event you have questions, feel free to drop it in your exam group. Groups that communicate right away are more successful. After initiating communication, it is best to coordinate times and format of your study sessions. Everyone's availability is different, which means times and frequency of sessions are determined on a group basis by the group themselves. This allows for your group to create a schedule that works for everyone in the group. Your study group is a crucial tool, and each of your time is valuable. Showing up to study sessions on time with the materials you need will ensure that the group achieves its goals. With this in mind, commitment is the most important factor in the success of your study sessions. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to studying with you.